I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over translations for your webinar. It's quick and easy to translate the webinar platform into any language that you like. To translate the webinar, you simply come down to the translation tab and then you can type in the translations yourself. With this fully customizable approach, it's possible to translate the webinar platform into any language. You can even translate it into your own made-up language if you have one. So there's a few fields that needs to be translated for it to be translated fully. And if you're fully fluent in translating into that language, you can simply start typing. If you need to translate it into another language that you're not fluent in, then you can go to Google Translate or another translation service. So for example, if I want to translate into Portuguese, I'll come into Google Translate, translate my text, copy, come back to the webinar platform and paste in. And then I just do the same for the rest of the fields. So in this video we went over translating your webinar into different languages.